number of coronavirus disease COVID-19 cases in India jumped by 3,900. A fresh record for new cases that jumped the tally of confirmed infections across the country to 46,433, according to the Union Health Ministry today. The number of fatalities stood at 1,568 after 195 deaths were reported in the last 24 hours. At the same time, 1,020 people also recovered from the deadly respiratory disease. The Union Ministry's COVID-19 dashboard showed at 8 a.m. A media report said there are 12,726 people who have been cured or discharged from hospitals so far. A combined team of Manipur Students Federation MSF and Sekmai Police seized BETEL leaves at Maharabi under Sekmai Police Station along IMPHAL-DIMAPUR Road last night. According to information, the volunteers of MSF found 44 baskets of BETEL leaves covered by vegetables items in a truck bearing registration number AS01KC2418. Which was coming from Guwahati to Imphal. MSF General Secretary Hijam Roshan condemned bringing in non-essential commodities like BETEL leaves to the state at this critical time. A team of Machi police station arrested 2 men along with 20,000 packets of illegal wind cigarettes brought from Myanmar at Thabi Market under Tamenglong district last morning. They were later handed over to Technopole police station, a report said today. 20 people from Imphal's Thangmoiban who were stranded in Guwahati due to coronavirus lockdown have returned home today. They were brought to the state by a bus. 2 special flights are all set to bring back Indians stranded in the United Arab Emirates UAE on Thursday. One flight will operate from Abu Dhabi to Kochi and other from Dubai to Kozhikode, the Indian consulate in Dubai said yesterday. The passenger list for the 2 flights will be finalized by the Embassy of India, Abu Dhabi and the Consulate General of India, Dubai, the statement said. The DHALAI district in Tripura has been declared as a red zone district yesterday. Earlier, DHALAI was a green zone district, but after 14 BSF Jawans from the district tested positive for COVID-19 in the last 2 days, the government declared this district as red zone. This was announced by Tripura Law Minister Ratanlal Nath. Assam Transport Department has taken initiatives to resume public transportation through its corporation, Assam State Transport Corporation ASTC, after relaxation of lockdown guidelines. 100 city buses were given for operation in Guwahati city as well as 214 buses were deployed for inter-district operation across the state yesterday. Extending help to police personnel working in the front line combating COVID-19 pandemic, Sophia Ngangbam, a Manipuri based in Bangalore Sarjapur for the 3rd time, distributed food items to around 40 corps at their doorsteps. She has so far extended aid to more than 300 individuals during the lockdown.